Hello guys, today in this video I am going to show you that how we can create Amazon affiliate account. Okay, so we first of all we need to log in into Amazon.in website. You can see here I have already opened, and then I will scroll down to the bottom of the Amazon.in website, and here you can see the link become an affiliate. So I will click on it, and once I will click, then it will say that the email address or mobile number and password what I am currently using and I have used that to log in is not connected to an associate account. So what we can do, we can click here on join now, and once I will click on join now, then it will redirect me at here, and here you will see the address, and if you want to change the address then you can also change it from here. Select different address, and then here who is the main contact for this account, the account which I have used here, so that it will use that. And here I will click on no because I am not a US citizen. Okay, and here I will click on next, and here I need to put your website, but I don't have website, I have YouTube channel. So what I will do, I will go to my YouTube channel, and from there I will click on OK on my channel, and then I will copy this link here, and then here I will paste it, and I will click on add, and then now I will click on next, and here in the preferred associate store ID, here I will add my channel name. Okay, and here what are your website and mobile app about, so I have already written here the detail, and I will just copy it here and paste it here. Okay, so now I will choose here which of the following topic best describes your website or mobile app. So first of all I will put here computer software and technology, and then I will put here education, and what type of Amazon item do you intend to list your website or mobile app. So here I will check it books, electronics and movies, and you can choose according to your requirement. Okay, and then here what type of your website or mobile apps, so I will keep it here content website, or I can let it here, and here I can choose here, let me choose other. Okay, and the traffic and monetization, so I generally bring the traffic from social network and SEO. Okay, that's it. And how do you utilize your website or apps to generate income? Here I will select display advertising and select secondary. I can select here the secondary. If you I can also choose here this one. How do you usually build links? So generally I build links using HTML editor, or let me choose HTML editor. How many total unique visitors to your website and apps, so let me choose this one. Okay, and from here, what is your primary reason for joining an Amazon Associate program? Then I will select this to monetize our site. How did you hear about us? From Amazon.site, or I can, yes, let me choose this one, and right here I will enter the captcha, and I will also click here the agreement. Let me first click on here. So now I will click on here later. I will add my text information later. So here you can see, now before we can pay you, we must, we will add it later, the text, we can add the text information later once we can start earning the money. Okay, so you can see here, this is our dashboard, and to add something or to create a link, you can just click here once, browse the product, and you can also search here. So let me search here, ASP.NET, and here you can see, I can see here. So once I will click on here get link, then I can also get the link. Okay, and here you can see this is the link of with the image preview, and we can also get the only text link, we can also get the short link. Okay, like this. Okay, and another way to create link is like by navigating to any product. Let me suppose I am going to use or add the URL of this. So you can see at the top here, you can see get the link, and here is the text link. Once I will click on text, then you can see I got the text link. I can also get the full link, or I can get the text with the image. So you can see, so we can create the link directly from here and share in our website or any. So I can share it in my channel or the description section. So now the main thing what we need to keep in mind, like before sharing any URL, first thing is that never share the URL directly to your friend or any other person. Okay, and the second thing is, in a month you must need to sell 3 items using your affiliate account in a month. And one more thing is, never use the URL shortener tool like Bitly or any other URL shortener tool, because if you do that, then Amazon will block your Amazon associate account. Okay, so always keep 3 things in your mind. Okay, so like this you can create, and we can share the URL easily in the channel. Right now I am having the channel. If you are having the website, then you can share the same link in the website. So that's it guys in this video. Let me know if you have any queries or suggestions in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.